Is Google Gemini crashing again and again on your Android phone? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to fix the Gemini app crashing problem. Solution 1. Clear cache and force stop the app first. Open Settings on your phone. Now go to App Settings and tap on See All Apps. Scroll down and tap on Gemini. Tap on Force Stop, then tap OK to confirm. Now tap on Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. This refreshes the app and removes temporary files that may be causing crashes. Next solution. Update the Gemini app. Open the Play Store on your phone. Search for Gemini in the search bar. If you see an update button, simply update to the latest version of Gemini from the Play Store. Sometimes outdated app versions cause crashing issues, so updating usually fixes it. And that's it. Your Gemini app should be working smoothly now. Thanks for watching.